Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I am in my messy garage and I'm going to be changing out an B&M shifter cable for a floor shifter. This car has a B&M mega shifter mounted on the floor. I need to remove the 4 screws that hold that top plate on, and then there's a couple more screws that hold that black housing on. The cable is bolted onto the side of the shifter, and I need to get things apart so I can get to that attachment. This is the B&M shifter cable. This one happens to be 5 feet long. They come in various lengths. End of the cable that goes in the car is here, and it's bolted to the shifter. And the other end of the cable goes by the transmission, and it has a threaded area here where the bracket holds it. There's another threaded fitting that goes into the transmission lever. You have to have everything adjusted correctly for it to shift properly. I got to get the old one out of there first. It's hard to show you all this, but I have the shifter housing held up with a screwdriver right now to keep it out of the way. This car happens to have a bunch of other stuff under this housing and wires are in the way, but right there is the nut and bolt that holds the cable to the shifter bracket. And there's a clip on the shifter right here, a little E-clip. You can take that off without losing it. That's it there. Shifter cable will come off of here. Should come off easy. Only held on with that clip. And then I need to get, looks like a 7/16. Get that nut and bolt out of there to release the cable. The cable will be pulled up through the floor this way. Go get some more tools and do that. The cable in the car had a emergency in the car repair at one time because it got melted, and it was cobbled together with, looks like a screw or a bolt, a couple clamps, some JB weld to hold it all straight. I got to take all that off because this cable needs to go through the floor, and none of this is going to fit through that hole. And if I can't get all this off, I have a cutoff wheel. I can just cut this cable because it's already ruined. Okay. Now I should be able to pull that through the hole in the floor. Before the new cable can go in, I gotta take all this apart. Take the nut off. These little rubber caps. Both these nuts and washers. I'll set all that right there for now. See, this one moves free and easy. That other one doesn't. I have that nut off. Let's see if I can pull the cable through the floor. Here it comes. All right, I got it out. Now the trick is going to be to get this new one back into that same hole, which is hard to see. That's not it. You need a light. Oh. You guys won't believe how hard it is to lay in this car and do this. You got the seat and the steering wheel right here in the way. Is that it? Yes. What is it? Now, of course, Murphy. If I can get the camera in there to show you this. That tab is pointed like toward me. The bolt is up there. So this needs to twist that way. The natural twist of the cable is opposite. So I can't just turn this. I have to go under there and twist the whole cable to do it. I'll do that and bring you back when I get done fighting with it. This just is not going well. That's got to go 90 degrees counterclockwise. I can't just turn it. I have the cable snaked under the car. It has like a natural bend to it. I have it straightened out, but I really need like another person to hold that cable underneath the car, twist it 90 degrees so I can get that bolt in. I'm gonna have to come up with something because I'm working alone. Okay, I got it on. I need one of those graphics that go across the screen and says 2 hours later. But it's on. Bolt is tight. I need to get this E-clip on there without dropping it down inside somewhere where I can't get it. I don't know if that's on or not. Doesn't look like it. Won't go on anymore though. That's gotta be it. Doesn't look good though. Alright, I'm gonna have to see. Here's the problem. Let me back up. It's down in there. Got the seat and the steering wheel, the door, the floor. There's not a lot of room for me to crawl in there to do what I need to do. And I surely can't do it with you guys right in my way. So I'm going to have to set you aside, get up in there, and get that clip on correctly. Okay, the fight is over. I got it all back together. I just have to clean up my mess and call it a day. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage on how to put a B&M shifter cable into a car. Come back to my channel for other videos and other projects. Bye.